What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
I'm not saying you should dump your Virgin Galactic shares, but if you're looking to get into some of these space stocks, then you want to stick around till the end of the video because I'll go over Richard Branson's next SPAC deal, its total addressable market, why you should pay attention to it, and then I'll discuss what I'm personally going to do. So let's get straight into it. So Richard Branson plans next SPAC deal, this time for Virgin Orbit. This is going to be a huge SPAC deal because Richard Branson's seeking a $3 billion valuation for its satellite launch business. Virgin Orbit's mission is to launch small satellites. These small satellites will be used to provide fast internet to rural communities, so much like what Elon Musk is doing with Starlink. And then these satellites will also help monitor climate change. But to sum it all up, they're basically competing with Elon Musk's Starlink. Virgin Orbit has hired bankers to scout for a SPAC to take the company public. So they're in the very early stages still, but they're in the process of finding the right special purpose acquisition company. Just in case you're not aware of what a SPAC is short for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. These are essentially blank check companies that have no operations of their own, but their sole purpose is to find a company and take them public. So basically Richard Branson is looking for the right SPAC to take Virgin Orbit public. Talks are expected to begin in the coming weeks, with plans to reach a deal within the next few months and complete it by late summer. Virgin Orbit's two-stage rocket attained orbit for the first time in January, deploying 10 small cubesats as part of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration program. The company's vehicle drops from the wing of a Boeing 747 jet above 35,000 feet before igniting flying to space. Now let's take a look at the total addressable market here. ARK Invest is extremely bullish on orbital aerospace. According to ARK's research, the 40 billion opportunity to serve populations without access to internet is a fraction of the total addressable market for satellite broadband. The market for connected planes, trains, and motor vehicles is likely to reach 36 billion in 2025. So they're saying that in total, the satellite connectivity market alone could approach 100 billion annually over the midterm. So as you can see, Virgin Orbit may have a huge total addressable market in the short to mid-term, which is why there is so much hype, not just around Virgin Orbit, but space companies in general these days. So now, what am I doing personally? Well, the bottom line here is that they're still looking for the right special acquisition company to take Virgin Orbit public. However, they do plan on expediting this whole process fairly quickly. Personally, I'll be keeping a close eye on Virgin Orbit because as soon as they announce a SPAC, you can expect the share price to double fairly quickly, which is why it's so important to get into this early. Anyways guys, that's it from me today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.